getting a lot of support for our coverage of NEET. And ladies and gentlemen, Republic Network has unearthed a NEET scam across 4 Indian cities as of tonight. And there is growing nationwide anger over the NEET scam. Our investigation has found out how the career of millions of students has been totally compromised. But the question is, who is downplaying the NEET scam? Watch this report and then decide for yourself.
Days after government denied paper leak allegations,
यह समस्या परीक्षा में मिसमैनेजमेंट के कारण 6 सेंटर में 1563 बच्चों की आई है। ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स है। उसके ऊपर भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट की एक मॉडल को हमने अपनाया, उसमें भी कुछ लोग कोर्ट पे गया। आज कोर्ट ने उस फैसला को स्पष्ट किया है। 23 जून को 1563 स्टूडेंट को दोबारा नीट एग्जामिनेशन का ऑप्शन उनके सामने दिया जाएगा।
Republic has gathered the ultimate proof.
The boys who appeared in that particular exam have made a confessional statement before the Patna police that they were brought to this school along with 20-25 students to mug up and cram the entire question answers, which tallied with the questions that came in the NEET 2024 exams on 5th May. And these boys were brought here on the 4th of May. ये बताइए, पुलिस यहाँ आई थी?
जी जरूर।
कब आई थी?
वही लमसम एग्जाम के बाद ही
आई थी। यहाँ पर जला हुआ पेपर भी मिला हाथ में।
कुछ लोग क्या क्या देखे वो अपना।
In Godhra, 5 accused have been arrested. A transaction of more than 2 crore rupees that has emerged between parents, students and the accused.
डिमांड क्या है, आप लोग क्या डिमांड?
सर बस हमारी यही डिमांड है कि अगर पेपर हो रहा है तो सिर्फ 1563 बच्चों का ना हो, हमारा भी रीनीट हो।
आप बताइए क्या डिमांड है आप लोग?
रीनीट हो, सबका हो, क्योंकि 1500 बच्चों का टाइम वेस्ट नहीं, सभी का टाइम वेस्ट होता है। और सपने सबके एक के नहीं, सबके होते हैं और सपने देखने का हक भी सबको है और उनको साकार करने का भी। तो जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आदेश जारी किया है वो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सिर्फ वो 1500 बच्चों का, सबके लिए होता है। इसलिए सबका एग्जाम होना चाहिए और नहीं तो जो उन्होंने रिजल्ट इशू किया है उसको नहीं करके रीचेकिंग होनी चाहिए हमारी शीट की और नया रिजल्ट जारी करना चाहिए।
The Supreme Court has kept the next hearing in the NEET scam case in the next 2 weeks.
सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है, सारे विद्यार्थियों के मन में ये निश्चित होनी चाहिए कि पारदर्शी प्रक्रिया अपनाई जाएगी और कोर्ट की फैसला, हम जैसे कल एक समाधान निकला कि नहीं, इस प्रकार के लोगों को रीटेस्ट का अनुमति दे दिया जाए। कोर्ट जैसे कहेगा वैसे किया जाएगा। मैं सरकार की ओर से सारा विद्यार्थियों को आश्वस्त करता हूँ, पारदर्शी तरीका अपनाई जाएगी।
4 cities, a nationwide scam, several evidences. Why is the NEET scam being brushed under the carpet?
We have Ayush Mishra, first NEET aspirant with a 640 score from Patna, where the leak happened, where all the scam happened. Ayush, what do you think right now? Grace marks issue is a solution, or should there be a total NEET re-examination? Do you still have hopes that there will be one? Should there be one?
Yes, sir, there should be re-NEET for everybody. I think so, and I want everybody should have give NEET exam and re-NEET exam, so we could have an average of both of them, and we could eliminate those who had cheated, and we can segregate those who have actually worked hard.
So basically,
there should be a way.
Yeah, but you know, Amit, let me get you in. You're a NEET expert and you're from Unacademy. What do you think, you know? Second NEET exam with the average of both the exams being taken, is that practical?
See, these are various ways on which we have to brainstorm, because these proposals are very early to make a judgment on. But yes, we have to find a way out so that both sides are actually even the genuine students.
No, but
do
tell
not
me one
feel
thing. I
that-
mean, I get a feeling that the people who are in the education business are not speaking up for students. Am I right? They make money from
No,
the students, but they don't want to upset the government because, you know, they want to play safe. They want to make money from the students, but they don't want to fight the government. Am I right here?
No, it's not like that. I mean, maybe what you are saying may be the case with one or two, but because of students, we are because of the students.
Yeah, but then you're not
Whatever
talking
we
on
are-
behalf of the students. I mean, today, Unacademy, Allen, who are the other big ones, Ayush? Allen, Unacademy. I mean, besides Physicwala, nobody's speaking up.
No, I mean, I think
Everybody is pretty much, you know, comfortable. They're not fighting on behalf of the students who are their bread and butter.
Arnav, I don't agree to this. Just because somebody is blowing the trumpet very hard doesn't mean.
No,
we
why
are
do you
not-
call blowing
we
the
are not
trumpet? Why is
supporting.
Unacademy not protesting?
We are doing whatever we should do.
Yeah, but you're not
and we
taking
are
them
not
on, no? You're not taking on. Unacademy is not taking on. Allen is not taking on. You're not taking them on. Just doing, okay, lip
No, we
service,
are
yeah, we feel
taking-
bad for
we
the
are
students,
taking-
yeah, unfair, government should do. But we're playing safe kind of stuff. Okay, Rishi Raj, what do you
No,
think? Rishi Raj is National General Secretary of the FIMA.
Yes, sir. A very good evening, sir. Thank you for inviting it to the show. And sir, I personally believe that the government should conduct a fair, unbiased inquiry in this whole matter, because
Open
if we
the
are
calls.
seeing the final decision of the Supreme Court that has came the day before.
My problem
It
with
has
the
been
Supreme
only
Court is,
focusing-
Rishi Raj, the Supreme
Yeah.
Court has accepted that there is a scam, but has not
Yes,
given
sir,
a
but, sir,
solution to the scam.
But sir, the Supreme Court has accepted, number one, right? Number second, that the Supreme Court has always also told that the grace mark should be tried to be drawn. But sir, the grace marks only applies to 1,563 students.
No, I'm
What
expanding
about
this.
other students?
Rishi, I'm saying, okay, let me change the question, and the question I want answered is, do you trust the NTA? Do the youth of India, do the exam givers trust the National Testing Agency? And I want to say today, ladies and gentlemen, that when push comes to shove, none of the Bollywood superstars who make money advertising these coaching classes and education companies are speaking out. They are all happily doing their fashion shows. Now students be damned for them. None of the big education companies are also talking. You want to take a chance, no? Byju's, Allen, don't take too much of a chance. Just lip service karo students ke liye. Government se panga mat lo. That is the kind of approach they have. I'm speaking up. Am I right? Am I right, Rohit? Dr. Rohit Mathur, am I right?
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah.
Yes, I do. But then the question is again the same, Arnab. That do you think that all the candidates who got good marks got by cheating only?
No, that's
So how
why
do
you
compare
asking
to
me.
them?
No, I'm asking you. Do you believe there was a scam? Let me ask you a counter question.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, what is I don't know? You're answering like Rahul Gandhi, I don't know. You
No,
speak
no,
directly.
it's
No,
not
I
like
don't
that.
know is not an
Look,
answer.
Look, Arnab sir. You know, the magnitude of the scam is to be ascertained, you know.
No,
This is
but there is a
complex
scam,
problem.
no?
This is the problem.
But there is a scam, no?
Yes, maybe.
So there is a person here, Ayush Mishra, sitting here with a 640 score. The exam he took part in was a scam, no?
Arnab, you have to see the magnitude of
No,
the
what
scam.
magnitude? A scam is a scam. If you get a puncture in your car, are you going to see, I'm going to see the magnitude of the puncture?
Nah, so how do you propose to do it?
I
I'm asking you.
propose that one sack entire NTA. I'm a radical kind of guy. Remove NTA.
Okay, that is
Nikal
okay.
bahar karo,
I-
inko sack karo.
Okay, the
Second,
question-
have a NEET. Have NEET.
a?
Have a fresh NEET.
And then what happens to those candidates who have done it fair and
They are
square?
good students. They'll get good marks.
अरे भाई हमारे यहाँ मारवाड़ी में कहावत है कि ऊंट की गर्दन अगर लंबी है तो कटवाने के लिए थोड़ी है. अगर कोई आदमी अच्छा पढ़ने वाला है तो मतलब वो बाकी लोगों की गलती के लिए अपने आप को बार-बार प्रूव
हाँ,
करता
तो आप
रहेगा.
बोल रहे हैं कि जो रैंकिंग है एक्सेप्ट कर लो भाई, थोड़ी बहुत हमने बैंडेड लगा दिया, अब खुश रहो, ज्यादा बात मत करो, कोचिंग सेंटर्स
नहीं,
वालों को पैसे
नहीं,
बनाने
नहीं,
दो
देखिए,
और दैट्स इट.
No, I do not say this.
Yes, do you agree
But
with me? This
Supreme-
coaching center guys, these medical companies, these education companies are letting down the students. Do you agree with me that the NTA should be sacked? Adish Agarwal?
Yes. See, now once.
By the way, Adish
this
Agarwal
grace
is
marks
ex-president
have-
of the Supreme Court Bar
grace
Association and
marks
chairman
have
of the
been-
All India Bar Association.
grace marks have been withdrawn. Now government should take stern action against the erring officials of this NTA. But now no need of holding total reset for all lakhs of students today.
But leak
because
ho gaya
if
na,
we
I
try
have-
to do that
Adish
for
ji-
all, then there can be again such type of incidents.
Adish ji,
And the students who were involved in unfair means, they should be debarred for life.
Adish ji, what you are saying is basically, ठीक है, स्कैम हो गया, नाइंसाफी हो गई, बहुत बुरा हुआ, चलो आगे बढ़ो. That's
No,
the
action should be taken
चलो आगे
against
बढ़ो.
erring people.
हाँ?
Action should be taken against the students as well as against the officials of this NTA.
I don't know. Rishi Raj Sinha, what do you think? Calls are open, please, for a couple of minutes. Rishi Raj Sinha, what do you think?
And sir, I think that the decision should be taken in the consideration of 24 lakh all students, not only for some group of students. And number second, sir, what about that grace marks? The grace marks has been cited with the decision of the Honorable Court back in 2018. सर वो जो एग्जाम हुआ था वो एग्जाम सर ऑनलाइन बेस्ड एग्जाम था, ये एग्जाम ऑफलाइन बेस्ड है. ऑनलाइन बेस्ड में सर हमने भी एग्जाम्स दिए हैं, हमने भी सर अच्छे एग्जाम्स क्रैक किए हैं और हमको भी सर वी ऑल, इट्स नॉट ओनली विथ मी, इट्स विद ऑल द रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर्स, ऑल द डॉक्टर्स, दैट ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स में सर वहां पे सर्वर रहता है विद चेक्स that how many questions you have attempted.
मुझे लग रहा है कि ये सारा इंसिडेंट जो है, ये सारे एजुकेशन कंपनीज, कोचिंग सेंटर्स जो बहुत मोटा पैसा बनाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स से, उनके लिए बहुत एम्बैरेसिंग है. दे डोंट वांट टू स्पीक फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स, दे वांट टू डू लिप सर्विस, इधर उधर से बोलना चाहते हैं, दे डोंट वांट टू टेक ऑन एनीवन. डॉक्टर अभिमन्यु इज कॉलिंग फ्रॉम पंजाब, आई एम थिंक. या डॉक्टर अभिमन्यु, गुड इवनिंग.
Yes, good evening to you.
Sir.
My son is going to appear for NEET next year.
All right.
And when I appeared in 2000, we used to have different exams for different colleges. All right. Let me assure you something. This is not new. All right.
It's not new.
Yesterday, the point was made that the students who have gotten good marks this time, if a re-NEET is done, what will happen to them? Well, my point is that those students who are good, who know their subject, will clear the NEET again.
That's what I told them. That's what I told Amit.
Yes.
If you're a good student, you clear NEET again.
And this
Am I audible?
NCA,
Yes, you are.
This and you can check out the.
I've been listening to you. I have a strong objection. I think you are saying that only one hero is there who is doing all the work for the students, and we all are just keeping a mum. I mean, let me get the facts straight. You are talking to the person who, in the history of pre-medical entrance, is the only one who got this exam quashed in 2015. No one did it before me. No one has did it till date. And I am speaking for myself as an activist, not just as a NEET expert. I'm not speaking here for an academy. So I'm just trying to tell you
But
that
my comment, Dr. Amit, is not on you. You may have done a good job, but my point is, it's my observation that I'm not talking even about your unacademy. I'm saying generally I feel that the huge education business guys who call themselves unicorn, make hundreds of millions of dollars, get valued at billions of dollars, but when they have forgotten that they are making their money, getting their valuation and becoming billionaires on the basis of the careers of students, which have been compromised in the case of NEET. They have been woefully quiet, or rather understated. What wrong have I said?
That we are not running behind media. We are with
Right
our
now,
students.
sir, the
We are
whole
not giving
decision
too
of
much
the
time on the
need
media.
of the court, it should be totally in the response, in the consideration of the maximum
I'm
students.
saying the issue is not over. Praful Sharma is calling from Rajasthan. Government wants this issue to close the issue. Close the issue. Praful, you're a NEET candidate?
Hello, sir, I am audible.
Yeah, totally audible.
Sir, you are, sir, मैं आप सही में बता नहीं पा रहा, आपसे बात हो रही सर. You are my sir hero, sir. आप बहुत मतलब इंडिया के लिए तो आपने बहुत किया है सर. आपकी वजह से सर मैं आपको मतलब 2-3 साल से आपको देख रहे हैं टीवी पर. And sir, I'm totally big fan of yours, sir. In the world, in the universe, sir, you are my dream hero, sir.
धन्यवाद, प्रफुल्ल जी.
सर मैं नीट का एग्जाम दिया था, मैंने यूनिटी का भी एग्जाम दिया सर। दोनों एग्जाम मैंने एक चीज कॉमन देखी, एक तो पेपर बहुत लेट मिलता है यहाँ पे।
अच्छा।
और सर उसी के साथ साथ हमको टाइम ही नहीं देता, मिनट में सर हमारे पास है ना साइन के लिए आ जाते थे, और हम पूछते कि हमको टाइम चाहिए, तो ऐसा उनको ऐसा कमेंट आता आगे से कि पेपर देना है तो नहीं, हमने निकलो।
आपकी कौन सी सेंटर थी प्रफुल्ल जी?
सर आलवर्ड में सिल्वर एस्कोन करके स्कूल है, वहां पर मैंने पेपर दिया था मेरा। और वहां पर मेरे से ऐसी अभद्र भाषा, मतलब उन्होंने मिनट में मेरे पास साइन करवाने आ जाते थे। हम क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते, हर बार आ जाते, टाइम इतना कम मिलता है तो इतना बड़ा पेपर आता है।
नहीं, ये बड़ी बात कही थी कि प्रफुल्ल जी, मैं एक बार पहले तो आपने जो प्रशंसा की हमारी और हमारे नेटवर्क की, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। दूसरी बात, मैं सिर्फ इस मुद्दे को छोड़ने वाला नहीं हूँ। हिंदी चैनल, इंग्लिश चैनल, जितने हमारे नेटवर्क के चैनल्स हैं, इसमें हम फॉलो अप करवाने वाले हैं, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है किसी तरह से एडवोकेसी हो रही है पूरे केस में। और आपने कहा टाइम के बारे में, कोई अगर पेपर लेट मिले और उसके साथ टाइम भी नहीं मिले तो डबल वैमी होगी स्टूडेंट के लिए। स्टूडेंट तो 20% 30% मार्क्स अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं कर पाएंगे इस टेंशन में।
सर हमारी 1800-2000 रुपए फीस लगती है, और फिर उसके बाद ऐसा होता है तो बहुत ज्यादा दुख होता है सर।
मैं काम करता हूं प्रफुल्ल जी, इसको कैंपेन बनाते हैं। अभी के लिए मैं इधर ही छोड़ रहा हूं, मगर इस इशू को, इस विषय को रिपब्लिक नेटवर्क छोड़ने वाला नहीं है। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आई विल टेक अ वेरी शॉर्ट ब्रेक, एंड व्हेन आई कम back, where we are in the business of picking up uncomfortable subjects. People don't want to talk about what's going on between the BJP and the RSS, because there is this view, oh, don't talk about it, you know, BJP will be upset, government will be upset, RSS will be upset. Let me tell you, nobody will be upset. I will talk freely about it, and I will tell you when I come back on the other side why this Lutyens lobby should not start getting too excited about an RSS fighting with the BJP. They are not fighting. That's the reality. That's the breaking news, and I'll tell you why when I'm back.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.